A young hawkbill sea turtle paddles gracefully over the vibrant coral reef that he calls home in the Gulf of Mexico. The coral was alive with color, their striking hues mirroring the colorful tropical fish swimming around them. Gliding through the water, the turtle stops to nibble on a sponge, carefully selecting the softest corals to graze on. Without knowing what he was doing, this act was helping to keep the coral reef's ecosystem in balance. This sanctuary was a lifeline that he had traveled miles to find, as it was the perfect refuge away from dangers lurking in the open waters. These dangers are not just predatory, but it had felt the warmer currents and experienced tons of strange debris on his journey here. The school of red snapper moved in unison, a flash of scarlet in the Gulf's deep blue waters, darting around the rocks that they call home. Each one of these fish knew its place in formation and navigate the currents with ease. They were on constant alert for the larger predators that roam these waters, but the rocks provided a sense of security. One of them, a young snapper, lingers near a crevice, watching the small crustaceans scurry along the rock walls, waiting for their moment to catch another meal. Nearby, other marine life, like anemones, bright corals, and small fish, add even more color and life to this habitat. The quiet humming of the Gulf's shallow waters surrounded the family of West Indian manatees as they floated through the dense seagrass beds. A mother led the way. Her curious, gentle calf trailed behind, observing every swaying blade. This lush green meadow of seagrass was their sanctuary, a place of endless grazing and peace. The calf slowly nibbled on a piece of seagrass, carefully mirroring his mother's steady, careful motions. It is learning the ways of the sea and would one day play its role in the delicate balance of this ecosystem. Small fish dart around, using them as cover from predators. The mother is uneasy, knowing that the size of these seagrass beds has shrunk considerably during her lifetime. A bottlenose dolphin cuts through the Gulf's water, its silver, sleek body arcing gracefully with each leap. Up ahead, a large and clearly underwater oil rig loomed against the sky, its metal structure towering above the waves. Curious, the dolphin swam closer, feeling the vibrations from the machinery humming through the water. It had grown up in these waters and knew them very well, as they are the best and safest hunting grounds. But this rig was something else, a sign of strange forces that had recently moved into its home. The dolphin paused, watching a cloud of bubbles rise as the machinery rumbled. A small fish darted nearby, providing a momentary distraction for the dolphin, and it gave chase, forgetting the strange sight for the moment. A bull shark swam silently through the maze of mangrove roots, its sleek body navigating with ease through the shadows cast by the thick branches above. These mangroves, reaching high above the water, offer the shark a refuge, a place where it can patrol and hunt in peace, far from the dangers of the open seas. Among the tangled roots, schools of small fish hide, a feast that would draw the shark in at just the right moment. Above the branches of the mangrove trees swayed gently in the breeze, showing themselves in the reflections on the water's surface. The shark has patrolled these waters since it was young, and now as an adult it hunts here, maintaining the delicate balance of this ecosystem. But there are fewer young fish here now, causing the shark to look for new grounds.